Hello YouTube, Allegheny City Productions here, and today I want to talk about the Lionel 2023 Volume 2 catalog and what my top picks are. I am not getting a print copy like I thought I was because I'm actually running out of room to store these things. So I will post my top picks at the end of this video. But first I want to clear up something right away. I changed my order for the train set that I'm getting later this year. I decided to buy something more realistic, so I ended up buying the Santa Fe auto rack set that comes with the Dash 8 and the auto racks, which is great because I've got tons of Hot Wheels, and the cool thing about those auto racks is you can fill them with Hot Wheels. As far as I know, they can hold about 10 Hot Wheels each. So I could probably fit about 30 Hot Wheels in one train, which is a lot of freaking Hot Wheels. That's more than I've actually got, so I'll be able to grow. But first, my first top pick, actually I should say, overall, this was a great catalog. The only thing I'm concerned with is there was no American Flyer whatsoever. I don't know what's up with that. As far as I know, Lionel hasn't said anything about American Flyer. I wonder if they're phasing out American Flyer, or are they going to release a big American Flyer catalog later this year? I have no idea. But it's a little creepy that there's been absolutely no American Flyer whatsoever. But overall, it was a great catalog, and it seems like prices have leveled out and they're not inflated like they were before. They're still expensive, but Lionel has always been expensive, and they'll probably be expensive until the end of time. So at least it's not inflated like it was before. But anyway, my first top pick is, and this is one of my holy grails, the Lionel Legacy F-19 Pacific. Most specifically, the Halloween version, because holy crap, that thing is epic. First of all, it has a new railroad, the Phantom Railway, and this thing looks freaking epic. I wish I could get it. In fact, it's my number one liked item in the catalog. I wish I could get it, but it's $1,300 and it needs an 054 curve, both of which I do not have, and I don't think I'll be able to bring this one home. So that's my number one holy grail. And then my other top pick, I have three top picks. The Lehigh Gorge set. Very cool set. In fact, I get very deeply some New Hope and Ivyland vibes, and I don't know why. Anyway, it's an awesome set, and I wish I could take the Halloween F-19 and put it in front of the SD-50 and get the extra add-on cars and make like an extra long fall themed Halloween passenger excursion. That would be absolutely epic, but sadly I don't think that's gonna happen because the Lehigh Gorge set is another $1,300, so that alone is $2,600, so that's not gonna happen. But one thing, my third top pick might actually happen, because I am thinking about pre-ordering the Great Northern Freight set with the 280 and the freight cars, specifically that one with the potato sacks in it. I do like that Lion Chief Great Northern set. That one probably has a high chance of happening. For me anyway. The other two that I just mentioned don't really have a high chance of happening, but the Great Northern set, that probably has a high chance of happening. Anyway, I just wanted to say that the catalog's out and it's a great catalog, and those are my 3 top picks from the catalog. Let me know what you thought about the catalog down in the comments. I'll be able to read them and respond to them as best as I can. Thanks for watching. This is Allegheny City Productions signing off.